In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment on a post in Skool. By the end, you'll feel confident jumping into any discussion and sharing your thoughts in a clear, helpful way. First, open the community feed. In Skool, the community tab is where all the conversations live. It brings together posts from members so you can see what's new, what's trending, and what your peers are talking about. Click into the community tab to load the feed. You'll notice a running list of posts with titles, short previews, and engagement details like reactions and reply counts. Think of this space as the hub for discussion. Next, find the post you want to comment on. You can simply scroll through the feed until something catches your eye, or if you're looking for a specific topic or keyword, use the search bar to narrow things down. Scrolling gives you a broad view of what's active right now, while searching helps you jump straight to what you need. When you spot a post that's relevant, open it if you want to read the full content and any existing comments. Taking a moment to understand the context will help you write a more useful, on-point response. Now you're ready to type your comment. Look underneath the post for the comment box. It may say something like "your comment," or it might just be an empty field waiting for your input. Click into that box and start typing. Aim to be clear and concise, and make sure your comment adds value. Share an insight, ask a thoughtful follow-up, or thank the author and expand on their point. If you're responding to a question, answer it directly and, where possible, include a brief example or clarification. Before you post, take a quick second to proofread. Checking for tone and clarity helps your message land the way you intend. Avoid sharing personal or sensitive information. Keep it professional and on topic. Finally, submit your comment. When you're happy with what you've written, click the comment button to post it. You should see your message appear beneath the post, often instantly. If the page is still loading, give it a moment. Once it's visible, you've successfully joined the conversation. That's all there is to it. Open the community feed, find the post, type your comment, and submit. With these simple steps, you'll participate more effectively, support other members, and help keep discussions useful and engaging.